Hello everyone and Happy New Year. I'm starting to record a few tutorials on how to start with Tapir. I hope they are useful and uh, well, and that can help like many designers and architect users to get started with it. So basically the best place to start with Tapir is the website. So you can go to archicad-api.com. In there you will find most of the information that you need to get started. And basically, in order to download the necessary packages, you will go to GitHub. And in GitHub, there are also a lot of explanations here on how to get started. First of all, you will need to download different add-ons for Grasshopper and for Archicad. They both work together, so you will need both of them to be installed in order to be able to work with Rhino, Grasshopper, and Tapir. If you are not interested in Rhino, Grasshopper, and you only want to use the Python, like Python with the Tapir library, then you can skip the Grasshopper plugin. Basically, if you scroll down, you will find the different Archicad versions for Windows, for Mac, and from 25 all the way up to 28. You can install them in as many as you want. There's no limitation. So I do have Archicad 27 and 28 installed in my computer, and both of them have the Tapir add-on. Basically, if you click on download, you will get a download Tapir zip file. So basically, you have to extract these from the zip, and then you can basically put it onto. Of course, this is on Mac, but in Windows will be quite similar. If you go to your Graphisoft an Archicad version, you go to the add-ons, and then you can basically unpack it in there. I have a specific, well, I have it already installed, so I will not extract it, but if you do it like that, then you will basically have it installed and working on your Archicad. And then the next step, well, of course, you will need to, if you have your Archicad open, it will not work until you restart your Archicad. So basically, do it with Archicad close or restart Archicad. The next step would be to download the Grasshopper plugin. So basically, the best way to do it is to go to the package manager. How do you do that? So you open Rhino. Basically, you type package manager, and you will get this window. And in this window, you can basically search for Tapir. It might take a couple of seconds, and then if you click here, it will tell you basically these are all the different versions that have been published. We are now running on the 1.1.3. It's already installed in my computer. You can basically install, uninstall, and if you have installed a previous version, you can upgrade it to the latest one. So it's very convenient to basically keep it updated. Once you have installed it, similarly to Archicad, you will need to reboot or restart your Rhino, and then once you have it, basically you will find one tab in here called Tapir. I have a lot, so some of them only show the initial, and then you should find under the general Tapir version. So you're gonna find. Let me get a panel, and this will tell you which version of the plugin is running on the Grasshopper side. If you go to Archicad, I have an Archicad instance open. If you go to the floor plan, I think it doesn't work on 3D, but you should get this Tapir new menu item here, and you will be able to open Tapir. and this will tell you as well which is the version, 1.1.3, so you can see that both of them are synchronized, and the port where this is running. So basically, in case it doesn't connect automatically or you have several instances of Archicad open, you can basically copy and paste this port number onto your Tapir connection. So this is pretty much it. Just to show you a couple of things, if you go to the General tab, you will find the Connect to Archicad node. So again, I'm going to connect here a panel, and in here you will be able to find the port. So if I hover my mouse over this input, you will see that automatically has connected to the correct port, so 19724, but I can override this by simply connecting another panel with another number. By default is set in auto refresh. You can get a Boolean toggle to basically stop the auto refresh, and then basically you can refresh every time that you do maybe some actions in Archicad. It might not be automatically reflected in the Tapir workflows, so you can just refresh all, and this should refresh all the Tapir nodes at once. Last one, you can get this Archicad location. This will tell you exactly where is installed your Archicad in your computer. So this should be useful for some automation workflows that we have in the pipeline. And then also you can get some project details, which also can be useful. So this will tell you whether the project is untitled or not. If it's a teamwork file, where is the project location? So in this case, I'm working on the desktop, which is the path, is the same, and the project name, which is Tapir test. This is the name of my file in here. So this is it. Basically, two things: download the add-on for Archicad, download the add-on for Grasshopper from the package manager. Remember, this is from Rhino. Let me get the Rhino here. So package manager, and then basically once you have both of them installed together, we can start to learn to use the Tapir nodes that are available already for different workflows. So this is it for now. I wanted to get this how to start Tapir video out for the new year, and I hope this is useful, and I will stay tuned for new videos and new workflows. Thank you very much, and see you soon.